So our last box that we picked up over at SportsCard Mint in Bellevue was 0809 Skybox Basketball. We should get 3 memorabilia cards and an autograph. And the last box that we broke open of this, we had the 3 memorabilia cards and the 2 autographs. So hopefully we'll get some more of the same. And alright, let's start here and see how we do. First pack, common, Kobe. Got a rookie, Brandon Rush. Filler. No close of Dwayne Wade, and got one rookie card out of there. Jason Kidd. Filler. No close of Michael Jordan. Manu, and a middle universe of Tajon Prince. Base, and Kyle Weaver. And then a one-on-one Carmelo Anthony, LeBron James, relic card.
That's nice.
Pretty nice piece.
Is it numbered?
Unnumbered.
Still nice.
Close-up of Larry Johnson. Wow. There's a name from the past.
I don't even know who he is.
And up close from Isaiah Thomas. But LeBron is nice. Base. Our next rollout, which is AK-47. With the Utah Jazz. Just a white piece and unnumbered as well. Julius Erving, Brent Berry, Boris Diaw, Chris Bosh up close, and a middle universe of Luke Maba. It's hell on me. And that too is unnumbered. Let's see. Oh, a dual signature. Signature of Deron Williams, and Ronnie Brewer. Really nice. That D. Williams signature is great. Both stickers. But let's see if it's numbered, and it is numbered number 5 out of 25.
Nice.
Dual signature, excellent. So I guess we got the one autograph, but it's a dual auto. And you try to talk me out of getting the Skybox. Again.
You could have got another bazooka.
Yes, we saw where that was. Magic Johnson up close. And a middle universe of Greg Oden.
Oh, nice.
Greg, I am always getting injured. Loaded. Let's see. Base. Wow. A rookie preview, evidently misspelled, of Kyle Weaver of the Thunder. And nice little piece of jersey. And unnumbered.
You mean the blunder?
The blunder. So that's our third relic. So we hit Hal Horford. So we hit our quota of... Oh, and look, some guy named Dwight...
Oh.
Howard? Oh, Howard.
Something like that. That's the best card in the box so far.
Yeah, I think that D. Williams is kind of...
Better if it was a Dwight Howard auto.
Decoy. Up close to LeBron James. And Mellow Universe of Kelvin Martin. So for overall, for the price, good product. DJ Augustine, no numbering. Brandon Roy up close. Down to our last 3 packs here. KB, Kobe Bryant. Maurice Sprite with the Sixers. Oops. And no number. Luke Debad. I'm sorry, dude, but your name is just too hard. Filler. Up close of Chris Paul. And last pack. Oscar Robinson. And our Metal Universes of Tony Parker. No numbered.
Mr. Longoria.
That was it. But overall, the 2 signatures, the Ronnie Brewer and the D. Williams, Deron Williams is really nice. Even though it's on sticker, number 5 of 25. It's really nice.
Alright.
Do you got a better view, or want a better view of that?
Oh, it won't focus. Yeah, I did that out.
AK-47, Kirienko, white piece of jersey, no numbering. The 1-on-1, LeBron James and Carmelo Anthony was really nice. Yeah, that's it's nice to get some LeBron. And Kyle Weaver with the Thunder.